How to transfer money from PayPal to a crypto wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure you follow the steps. One thing I need to make very clear is that this will depend entirely on the cryptocurrency service or wallet you're using. Not all cryptocurrency wallets will allow you to link PayPal directly. However, you should still be able to do so if the specific cryptocurrency wallet you want to use has PayPal available as a payment option directly. If it does, all you would need to do is choose the option to add PayPal as a payment method. Usually, this will redirect you to the PayPal app or website, where you can finish the process of linking your account by logging in with your credentials. Once PayPal is added, you will be able to choose the option to either buy cryptocurrency directly with PayPal or transfer the money to that account. If PayPal is not available directly, this process will unfortunately be a bit more complicated. The most common method to get around this is to transfer the money from PayPal to a bank account and then use the bank account to deposit the money into the cryptocurrency wallet. This is because, most of the time, PayPal doesn't offer a card for most users, so you won't be able to link it directly. Sure, if you have a PayPal-issued card, you can simply link that specific card to your crypto wallet and use it as a payment method to purchase crypto assets. But for most people, the common method will be to transfer your PayPal balance to a bank account. For that, you will have to click on your balance above, then where it says Transfer, and choose your bank account linked to your PayPal account. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.